Yamochi bim sabo kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumedi so yeda apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say any cranshansem our dear bread yedu Sonia Badwam kase ensem no de toja omu bi ya wobetini kane MCEs no se no kura bi animu se won de won chitai ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so onye won Franka tuni sansem no ebiemu ka ho na afoforo bi na no pe yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com and semine sembebre so eka ho faseda mama Joy Trish wantadi ba kune uko Instagram ni Facebook ho office enta the wedding program bia no majoy ebedre so kama mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said en semni nchemo ankasa etie mensia krache mpanifo adadafo bi de wodi ekuo nanimu ye Beneza duku enene wo kire se no kra bi animu se adadafo be se 250 bi de won wachitai akoma owura Kennedy e Japan se wonye won Franka tuni ema NPP amanyoko mfiempino ene adonu nwatwemo emu ensem eni
Opanyini baako a MMDCEs wodi wonomu enemo Beneza duku ne nsem bia wodi etu dwa wo kire mu se so manfo mu biye kan se akane amansina krachefo bia na won mu mpotane emu beyese ahenu aduonum wonum de omachitai ama Kennedy e Japan no enya de anokure bia ewom asem nokure no wane se kane amansina krachefo a won mu honum ne nyina no dodo na eno makasa bedwemu akire se won de omachitai ema kane mampanyina be de akire Dr. Bawumia ya wonu etu Franka ema NPP amanyoko na fimpino ena aduonu wana ya bato ne mu anso honomu a osanso kan ye de piso se won de omachitai ama Dr. Bawumia ne nyina no wegina nema bia wo ye wo my Ghana emu ene sompa wo somo mayinti
220 all declaring your support for just last week, we saw a similar number go to Kennedy Japan.
Wait, please, let him come.
We saw a similar number go to Kennedy
Japan, yes.
I want to find out if any of the people that went to Kennedy Japan is here.
Okay. We're all here. We were here. Go ahead. Go ahead with your question.
We were all there. Please, let me answer. Please, allow.
You go ahead.
Japan invited all MMDCEs. I was there myself.
Did you throw your support behind
we did not throw support.
Nobody.
No. His assertion that over 250 came to endorse him is false.
Body.
Today.
Listen.
Chief, you have asked a question. Today, we are reading a statement on behalf of all of us. There was no statement read at Kennedy Japan's.
Nobody declared any support.
We spoke, we wined, we dined, and we left. Today we are showing our support with a statement. Thank you.
And there was some way moon so no kufufron so about Bontia, one more say, one more dear. Obi any who support you be an emum one more when need a coin so better Franka MPP amanyoko ne frefre won eka won ni so ade hunu bi e de achewe no nkyere se bia won de wachita ama baako ana osomesi eno so nsema odi tudwa eni
Obi so say honorable Ken so kushia and check and yet say ya former vice president so say kushia ye ko ba ni say ne ye be hwe na ya to sa meeting no this last week and this week so that him and me free north and other areas no eba almost anko almost am do yes programming na atiku and unfortunately yesterday on Thursday the kushia ya papa honorable Ken ohene akopraku Japan Thursday oni e bin kobo kaba ye wie ya esese odimai as TNT odimai ye na effort Papa Brian so was on Saturday and Sunday. It is Saturday in your call. Oposi and Kama. But you need for live band by I get chain and only share. Oka and Yamawaya party, the vision for this country. On who I invited media, they are not declare say we do not party people nomination for our flagbearership contest. On the other side, come on, when you be at Kasa and Cubia, and then yes, or your mind as your TNT or the mind and I buy. It's then that I'm a pack, and I have a former vice president. Platform so yan decide babia say yeba yan former MMDC yeba be declare ama one particular country. Honorable Ken Japan yan yes adre. Honorable Brian yan decide sana former vice president and so yan decide. It is obi say MMDC for yakabom na see endorsing the former vice president and there was no discussion.
Yen free honey among Ryanson for Fromo, na yam prophet, I didn't war multimedia Jumakumu, Jumediatis through Pano, ya within Wasampa FM prophet, Nanaya or Safo, Oba media Jumanumoon 20 years in into Washahu Fa Amene, Wakwaya Doye Wogan West Hospital.
Ten years ago, I went there. Nadia Mkumwe was quite odious and appalling. And we decided to 20 years now to media or semi sign corner me Badwam. Truly, you quite a stories if you boss a man, we crack or now or call you know, when you're a banner. Into hospital bills, I'm work journey. Now, unfortunately, now what the crap higher or more people wasn't could take it drugs, a man could heal it completely. But oh, here's some to work journey. I come akuma. I'm saying Debbie, let me make it a project to help your mommy more. My car also now muntimintia or more bills. I'll be journey there. Adia Sabi and Chaye.
Ward in charge our no war obstetrics and gynecology department wire sabi gifty champon and so Ejina hospital no anemu ade aseda emma opinion so babaye wono musa emwe
maseda kese enkoma na yawo safo se wo odadwere ho se nyame de to na koma so mebusa se ede na muhia na moye yadoye ebreye BP apparatus and TV and niema bebre ede ma abatan nyame onhyira no
maybe one more ewo maternity ward and so chire so e ma opanyini ward fefa wababeye e de ama wono mo
ana se nyame nhyira mo pa maya de ade amaye ne de nyame onhyira mo ama modwuma bi amoye bia enkoso edamase so samadwen ye ho
amose ne modo ya maye de amaye kan ne pampers ne boaye.
So na Ghana Federation of Disability Organization na ene one more esha one for National Day for Persons with Disability. Na numu no one more se wa mamra na wasi yeshemu kena. Yadeni mafufuro bi eka ho yenyan sakraye wo mo na tumi so aboa wo.
We are appealing to the Minister of Gender, Social Protection, that they should speed up the activities of the operations on the reenactment of the disability law, so that it can be in line with the United Nations Convention rights or the CRPD Convention. It can be in line.
Was answering Hono Sofa with the Church Ghana this year on some so Dr. Clement Park, and so HS say, a benyas in Kitty Pass or bed you bit me be a say, what do you want for Sibi one baby, a touch may, a becawon, it may be a way on Sunny Bay, a Badwam or main puntun so a con kind.
We must prioritize inclusive education policies. This means not just development, but implementing policies that promote accessibility in educational institutions, including physical infrastructure and the appropriate teaching and learning material.
Asantemantemo posi adwumakuo no achire Nigeria fonum Ghana ni ba konso eka ho ni nyina ne se won makokro no bo e wo sikakrabia hodo a e wo asantemantemo na police commander DCOP Emmanuel Telkujo and edin semi etuja
aboniyefo adwuma omudia ne se uko bank eko yi usika na omudi wechi o paaki wo ka wo baby pe na omobuka neni na omoyi usika Africa na de bia ye hu se omudi ka mienu ene di se adwuma no Toyota Highlander mienu omudi se adwuma na ye tata wo enti memrantie a omo PID omo ejiro omo pa na omo arresti nipa miensa yebisa onu mu nsem no omu di tumu se omo di se adwuma ewo umase mpotem a omo identify nkrofobia omo ne mu ye se adwuma no bi
Otwa nkase so se enipa enum ya monsa ka wo mu e Nigeria fo na baako e Ghana ni
nhwehwemu kakra ya ye no ye hu se omu nyina wo ye Nigeria fo nipa baako pe e na ye Ghana ni eno ne din e ye didi ye bota ni se sankrofo na mu di se adwuma nyina no ye be mi ayani na ye make sure some ye two omoase enti ye ne ye police for work greater Accra so di nkita ho na omomwaye because omo decide juma no so wo greater Accra region
nipa bia ye hunu no se bambofo meche posifo ye wonmo adwuma na wi akire wo bo wo mo entrene kra ma bia kan Ghana Police Service no ene wono ankasa de no ho akọ Intelligence Department ye no won kran ya mpanifo ye mu hwehwemu one ne lawyer ene call ya ye busa de enti a o kasa na wo bo aposifo entrene Prince also see aduama no boni etoso
I will shoot somebody and it will be a case. This is the third time this thing is happening. This is what they do.
The laws in the country.
Are you the law?
Man for Bekaya, na watch Chemuno, Accra Regional Police at the Betu just say, Onipe bia womo ehu ne video aneda eye social media no ne aposifo enya confrontation as any pay ede ye threat emma police force say obebo mutuo ekuom no sani pay me no kase aposifo e de to just say omo ne homodin pass obekọ report ne ho de ama aposifo na abra Adom News nsentwofo edi nsem n'echi no ene dey wakọ eye police intelligence department ede ne ho akoma aposifo na abra Adom News nsentwofo ye kopie ho no de wo mu ni se aposifo egusoa eye nsem ni mu enhwehwemu na ye kosoa edi nsem n'echi de be pie mu ababia no ye de be ma ye yahwefo ene etiefo amane boy mi amedi free eye posi asoye ede bre wo fa branti a ne ho nsem ebeto dwa na no Bedi ede Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
Onsam foforo mu na ene afutu okokobo kwa me nyina se yenhwe ho ye wo jahihie mu na de ba ko etade ja ehihie ba eyententan wo ye mukasi ye jade nom ne ade na Bono East Regional Commander da Ghana National Fire Service ano Reverend Mrs. Naomi Ofori Adobia Sapon ene de nsemi etudwa
na anya bia de nkra ne kofa saa domestic fires ane fie eja hye eba de di kan ameka wan asem ye entontan kokwa na sentintan ya ye nyina ye nimu yi ehye papa na se eja tomu nso a etrentententem na enam enkenkane ye jade ye mukase kitchens a ye nu aduane no enti so yo ba na se wo yo bi a onu aduane na wo kitchen dey make sure say bring nyina wo bemma wo kitchen ho aye neat
eno echi no osan den nsem bi sin so etudwa
bebre wo ho a ye overloading bi wo a kitchen kra no o blender wo de ahye socket so no na wasan de ade foforo heater akọhye so na de kettle akọhye so ahoden ne eso chen afidie na electrical gadgets na wo de hye so na ebe na the moment ebe na no hu say no bo me kokọ ese adie ontimi na ho odi ntimi ada se obesesa na wakọ akọpe qualified electrician a obekire ode na ho ode ni so a obetimi edi eja share eba bebre
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no memfansi ha medase no omre no wadaje a wode maye wadaroma twene emfa de obon krata no ene Adom online stories no ntoso medidi afia amankwa tamaklo yekwaba